Ah, wrong button. There we go. Turn the lights back on, Con. What are you doing, dude? I don't think Bitcoin's pulling back yet. Not yet, friend. Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. That's possible for sure, but I don't think so yet. Although it is rejecting its level. I was thinking more around 32.7. My facial routine, nothing, dude. I have like really, really good skin. I got really good genes for stuff like that, like hairline, face. I don't have a facial routine, man. Honestly, nothing. I actually use a bar of soap on my face. My wife gets super mad. She's like, "Oh, I get breakouts and this and that." 15 plus 4. Oh, dude, you're right, man. What a. You know why it is? Because I'm doing work on my other monitor. That's why, dude. I'm slipping, dude. Getting old, man. This game ain't for me anymore. Yeah, my facial routine is actually nothing, dude. My wife gets super mad at me. She's like, "Oh, your skin is like silk and you do nothing." She You want to know what she sent me one time? I'm going to share something with you guys. Hold on. This may take a minute, but trust me. The payoff will be worth 100. Yeah, this we still laugh about it cuz she gets so mad. Hold on. Let me see if I can find this thing. I don't even know if I can find it. Maybe she sent it to me in Discord. Very possible. Let me check my Discord. I had a feeling she sent it in Discord. Bitcoin could reject 518 here. I don't think I'm going to take a short at 518, but it's definitely possible. Where the hell did she send this thing? Well, I don't know where it is, but damn, that's too bad. If I can Google it, worth trust. I don't know where the hell she sent this thing, dude, but it was super funny. Oh well, let's move on. Just kind of like. It was something along the lines of this. It was something along the lines of this. She's so pissed off at me because this is like. But the one she sent me was like a picture like this. Yeah, let me go to my screen. I know you guys can't see it. Hold on, chill out. She sent me something like this, and she's like, me at 30, instead of me at 30, it said Me after spending 10K worth of makeup products, and then my husband after he wakes up in the morning, and it was like this to that. It was good stuff, man. It was good stuff. This one's not bad too. My grandpa at 20, my dad at 25, me at 30. That's so true, man. Man, we get so lucky. We've got like the perfect DNA to give us like maximized skin. I do nothing. I use like a bar of soap on my face. She's like, "Don't you at least use face wash?" I'm like, no. Give me the bar of soap. Fuck it. Give me the free one that we got sent in the mail. Use that thing. Smells like acid. Give me a nice peel. Make it super fresh, dude. It's just like so funny. I'm really on the hunt to find this thing. Dude, I'm not gonna be happy until I find this thing. I'm not gonna find it. I don't know where she found it, but it was like insanely good. Okay, let's catch up on chat. See what's going on for a Friday. So whatever happened with this whole Elon Musk and whoever had a get together? Some people had a get together and some things that were happening. Like whatever happened to that? Was there like a TLDR or like a quick chat explanation? Because I follow none of that stuff. But everybody seems to be talking about it, so. Link for the IG? You just type it in chat, dude. Just type exclamation mark IG in chat. It's a Twitch chat command, dude. Link for Instagram on Twitter? Twitter doesn't have an IG link, I don't think. No, there's just a flow page. There's no IG link. Change the name to just the show. Yeah, if I decide to keep the afternoon stream, I'm gonna redo some of the graphics, which will be fun. Just trying to hammer through chat right now. That's what I'm doing. I'm just reading through chat as fast as I can, skipping like 99% of the comments. Still think BTC is going down? Oh, we're gonna see. When somebody asked what my facial routine was, I should have said sandpaper and bleach. The trick is you got to use a really low grit. Get that really tough stuff, man. Scratch all that dead skin off. Don't do society. Stay home. Do trades. Agreed. 100% agreed. Talk with Kathy Wood. I don't even know who that is. Nope, it's not a link. It's just I put my Instagram under my location. Watch your stream at work today. Sweet, man. If the right trades come up, Ephraim, Irfan, CEO of ARK. Oh god, dude. Anybody who owns like a crypto, I don't even know what ARK is, to be honest. What is ARK? What does ARK do? What is this? ARK coin or something? ARK.io, the simplest way to blockchain. Yeah, dude, these guys are total traders. The ARK in action on YouTube. Okay, let's see ARK in action. What am I even looking at, dude? I have more subs than them. Yeah, I'm done. We're good. Hi, Kathy. Miss you. No thanks, man. It's an investment group, so ARK Investments, that's what you guys are saying? Oh, why do I look at this stuff on stream? Long-term growth in public markets. Okay. Autonomous tech robots. Geonomic revolution. This is a lot of fancy icons and words to confuse people. ARK disruptive innovation. Let's see if we can actually understand what this is talking about without trying to be like angle smart, but just like dumb normie mode. Aims to provide broad exposure, disruptive innovation. I'm already lost. Seeks to provide exposure to autonomous mobility, electric vehicles. Okay. What does this have to do with investing? Aims to provide exposure. So investment companies providing exposure. So like insider trading news, getting paid to prop insider trading. Cool. Aims to provide exposure to DNA sequencing technologies, gene editing, CRISPR. I know what all that is, but I just don't see what this has to do with stocks. Like, yeah, okay, man. Like, I feel like they had one template and they copied it on everything. Aims to provide broad exposure. How many times do they say exposure? Seeks to provide exposure. This is broad exposure. This is exposure. This is exposure as well. So you've got two normal exposures, one broad exposure, another exposure, another exposure, another exposure. Seeks to provide exposure to companies. Seeks to provide exposure to fintech. Seeks to provide exposure to artificial intelligence. Seeks to provide exposure to DNA slicing. Seeks to provide exposure to autonomous. Seeks to provide broad exposure. That's the ARK disruptive. Broad. Fuck these guys, dude. What is this? This is so stupid. I don't know. Maybe they're really cool. I'm kind of like done with this already. I have like a really low attention span, so when I see the same word over and over, I just go down a confusion hole. It's pretty bad. It's like thought loops and confusion holes. I don't even know what I'm looking for anymore. No. Okay, I was trying to downplay it at first. Top-down research, bottom-up research. Dude, why can't you design this? They've got the top, down, and the bottom up. They've missed nothing. They've got every angle. Dude, I wanna invest with ARK Invest. Yeah, even their name, ARK Invest. Invest with ARK Invest. I don't know, man. Not really wowed on their website. This is probably, I don't even, is this a real website? Because like this is complete rubbish. Why innovation? So like this is confusing too. It's like why innovation? It's like saying why eat? Like why air? Why heart? Dude, fuck living. Why heart? Why air? Dude, you don't need to breathe. Why air? Like why innovation? 3 reasons we believe innovation should be represented in an investor's portfolio. What? Did I read that right? 3 reasons we believe innovation should be represented in an investor's portfolio. What does innovation and portfolios have to do with each other? Isn't it just like, shouldn't it be something along the lines of we destroy profits in a good way? Maybe not those words, but along that line of something about profits and increasing money, not innovation. Dude, innovative portfolios sound like portfolios that lose. Isn't that just like a different word for diversifying? We believe in innovative portfolios. Man, this website is really weird. I'm getting out of here. Dude, I have a headache now. Great way to start the stream. Well, they've got innovative brain torture technology happening on their website. I have a headache after looking at it. Hey, where are we looking to short? This guy here? Possibly. We're gonna see. Whatever happened to, what was that one that got hacked yesterday? What was the one that got hacked yesterday? I don't remember. There was something that got hacked. Rune? Whatever happened to this thing? Okay, cool. Beautiful sunny Friday in East Coast. Nice, man. You know, see old stream time, sad face, man. You know, when you make a tear face like that, you know, crying is a form of healing. So if you're tear facing on my stream right now about the old time, you're already healing into the new time. So welcome. Welcome to your new self. No, not that one. ARK Invest. Yeah, that was not ARK Coin. You talking about ARK Invest. XCAD? Oh, I don't. Doesn't matter to me if it's creator related. XCAD? This thing? Oh, dude, no. It's like coin stuff? No. Did you design your house? No, I'll design my next house. When Kathy buys, I buy. That's what the new Reddit thing is. Yeah, I was working in the architecture field for a bit, but not too much, but just a little bit. You made 20% on AMP first chance? Nice, dude. Yeah, I saw that in Discord today, man. Awesome call. Loving the stream time? Yeah. Except from the UK. What's up, man? You're healing at 2 a.m.? I think people call that something different, but if you want to call it healing, that's fine. Oh, I've got log on. Log on or off doesn't make a difference. Oh, XCAD, the website? No, if it's not YouTube, it's just kind of pointless. You know how many of these I've probably been approached by at least 20 to 30, 40, maybe even 50. I've probably been approached by like somewhere between 20 and 50 sites like this where you can like either bet on content creators, like basically you're trading content creators like a stock. So you can either trade content creators like a stock, or you can be on their platform and put your thing on there for monetization. What is XCAD? We're in Hearthstone still? Okay, let's change it. Let's change it to just chatting. Thanks. Who said that? Liquid? Dude, thanks. Oh no, that was not Liquid. Drigan, thanks, man. There we go. What's the best way to spend 1K? Dude, I don't know. Voyager dropping? Yeah. It's dropping. It hit our target, super close to our target. I think that's what the XCAD one is, isn't it? Isn't this like, I think I've seen them before. I think they actually approached me in the past. I could be wrong. It could be a different site, but you're basically betting on content creators and if they're going to blow up or not. I think. Their platform isn't even launched yet. Yeah, their platform isn't even launched yet. So I've been asked to move over. Like, yeah, I've been asked to move over a lot. I'm not looking at ASX or AXS. I don't care, dude. Okay, here, I'll look at it for you. Looks good. Nice one, man. Thanks. Good chart, dude. I would short. Fucking AXS comment is triggering me, man. If you ask again, I'm gonna fucking pound you with a hammer, dude. Ban hammer. I just always tell people, man, if Bitcoin's moving up, altcoins are moving up. If it's moving down, altcoins are moving down. Hey, Cotton, being a day trader, dealing with big amounts of money, have you always been good managing finances? Nope, buy cocaine with every single cent. Did you learn how to save, invest, spend wisely? Yep. Have you been good with money management? Don't do drugs. Obviously, that's a joke. Please don't TOS me. I do like Twitch. I don't want to get banned off here. I've always been good with money. Might as well put that. I'm spending this weekend to tune up Nightbot. So Nightbot's gonna like hit these guys with commands every time somebody's like, "Oh, what do you think about this?" It's gonna bang. It's gonna be in there. Nightbot. Nightbot's gonna clip them. Yeah, dude. AXS is probably moving up because Bitcoin's moving up. I hope you don't take it wrong here. Science has profounding effects in India. And India, we have really huge population. I don't want to complain, but it's hard here for us to air now. I understand, man, but you know, I'm just testing on a new time stream. Stream time slot, whatever. Hold on, I gotta tell my wife that we gotta Do dinner. I was talking about shorting at AXS, by the way. Didn't meant to trigger. You're good, man. It's not about a time that's convenient for me. I'm testing different things. As a person who needs to grow, like I do want to release Butterfly Effect 2. I want to release more courses after that, but the reality is I have to keep growing to do those things. So, it's important that I test these things out, at least test them. No, I'm not making any commitments yet to any time slots. I know everybody's asking me about which time slot and things like that. I'm not making any commitments yet. I'm simply just trying out a few different times. And, but yeah, I'm just testing out a few different time slots, see what feels good, see what feels natural. I gotta admit, I do like the afternoon streams because I'm like half dead in the morning because my kids keep me up all night. Maybe that'll change in the future and they won't keep me up, but I do feel highly energized in the afternoon. Like sometimes it is, a lot to get up at 5 a.m. and get ready, deal with kids, feed them, jump right onto stream and be ready to, pop off. AXS would be like where you think Bitcoin is rejecting is where if you're going to take a short on ASDT or AXS or whatever, wherever you think Bitcoin is going to short is where you should short this. Like that's just it. Wherever you think this is going to short, Bitcoin should short. Yeah, see, I already have a chart on this. This is already, yeah. I already looked at AXS. I'm sure somebody asked in the past. I just wherever Bitcoin's rejecting, that's where I would short AXS in that moment. Harmony 1, probably the same thing about AXS, dude. Pretty sure I'm going to click soon. Yeah, cool, man. How old are my kids? 11 months and 3. So young. The one does, yeah. He wakes up at like 5 a.m. every day. I don't know why, dude. It's like Naruto. No, I don't watch anime. Nothing against anime. I just don't watch it. I have no opinions on things as a long like. Do you like Harmony 1? Or do you like Harmony as a long-term project? I have no opinions on these things, dude. If Bitcoin's going up, Harmony 1's going up. The second Bitcoin goes down, Harmony goes down. There's no. It doesn't matter if you tell me Harmony is a long-term project. That doesn't matter if you tell me Dot, Ethereum, Doge. They all go up when Bitcoin goes up, and they all go down when Bitcoin goes down. So insert company X instead of Harmony. And if Bitcoin's going up, I freaking love it, man. Because I'll just put my money in it. It'll just grow. I don't give a shit. And the second Bitcoin's done moving down, I just short it. Because it doesn't really matter to me. You're talking about investing, not day trading. But at the same time, regardless of investments, regardless of long-term, like, oh, Harmony is a long-term project. If Bitcoin's moving down, Harmony doesn't matter how good of a long-term project it is going to move down. Boy and a girl. Do I think that's a good question? Do I think alts will forever follow Bitcoin? For the immediate future, the only scenario where I see alts not following Bitcoin is where Bitcoin drops back down to like 6K and something diverges from it. Like maybe Ethereum can diverge from it, but then everything would follow Ethereum. So it wouldn't really matter. It might not necessarily always follow Bitcoin. Something may take over Bitcoin one day. I doubt it, but is it a possibility? Yeah. When would it happen? I could see it. Yeah, I could see it happening if Bitcoin drops like 6K, Ethereum and everything is in the toilet again, and it gives banks or governments a chance to buy into. But Yeah, a real application in the world or not doesn't matter, dude. There may be one coin that breaks away from Bitcoin because it has some kind of long-term value, but yeah, good luck in your 1 in 10,000 coin hunt. Like, you're literally talking about needle in a haystack. Like, why bother? If you're using this for a tool of money to make money, yeah, I'm waiting for a short. If you're using day trading or investing as a tool for money, like, why are you trying to play needle in the haystack type of odds? Like 1 in 1,000? What's the point of that? Why not just do the easy thing and make reliable money constantly instead of trying to get some kind of position where you're making $1 billion in one trade maybe in 5 years from now? It's just not worth it. 10,000 people do that, one person hits fire. It's like, what's the point, man? You want to play those kind of odds, you might as well start buying lottery tickets too. Same thing. I was testing the hourly, by the way, for anybody wondering. It's just been testing this, but it's not enough to hold it right now. There's a possibility of like 520 it holds, but looking more up so at a trend here. Looking more so at this trend here. These trends. Yeah, more so in here. We need a cotton coin. I mean, I haven't focused an enormous amount of time on kind of growing my YouTube, but I think that's going to shift soon. I think it's time to start focusing on growing my YouTube. Yeah, actually doing the things that will make it grow is what I should say. Not like I don't focus on my YouTube. I release videos, but interesting projects for me, dude. I don't do any fundamental analysis at all. It's testing trend right now. Possibility trend rejects it for sure. Not where I'm taking my short, but the possibility's there. You're seeing the pullback off it now. It doesn't mean it's going to dump the coin, but I agree with Liquid, man. If you're going to be hodling anything, that time is gone, dude. DeLorean was stolen. Sucks, dude. Yeah, TikTok is big right now, but I have no interest in curating TikTok videos. Holding with a long-term vision is not profitable. Dude, what are you talking about? Like eye prescriptions? What do you mean holding with a long-term vision? What vision, dude? You're just picking a company and trying to play some kind of lottery ticket. What do you like, falling in love with companies, dude? I don't get that. People are talking about investing long-term visions. Like, yeah, there's lots of good projects out there. It doesn't mean they're managed properly. I don't like investing. I don't like long-term holding. It's highly archaic. One day investing will be looked at like this dirty thing boomers do. Investing, dude, my grandpa used to do that. Boomers didn't know what they were doing, dude. Like, it's boomer talk, man. What are you talking about investing? That's boomer talk, dude. Yeah, so I did think about that. I have been thinking about like doing TikTok, but with just posting the same clips on both platforms. I have thought about that. Like I've considered it. I mean, it's just like mental shifts, right? If it helps grow even a little bit, I suppose it would be worth it if it's just that simple. Trend rejecting right now. I don't think this is gonna be actual rejection. I think pretty sure this is gonna go up and target a higher level. Good accuracy on the trend though. Not bad, Cotton. Not bad, man. Not bad. Possibly 7 something for a rejection. 7x. Possibly 750 for rejection. Do I even have anything up here? So I have 704. Yeah, I'm thinking around 750 for rejection. Rejection on the move, because it's going to break this trend. It's going to fuel it up to attack like the 750. What are you talking about in here? Like 740s? Oops. Yeah, people will look at investing one day once people realize that there's a science that controls these markets. People are just gonna laugh at those who did like investing once upon a time, and it's just gonna be like, oh my god, my grandpa used to invest in these boomers and their ideas of getting rich, like lottery tickets, man. Hunger Games of the mind, like it'll just be looked at like boomer thoughts one day because it really is. It's such an archaic way to do things. Yeah, I used to play CS. Yeah, JDMV. I was thinking about doing that. Like, it has crossed my mind to post both on one platform. Or, sorry, same videos on both platforms is what I meant to say. That's very wishful thinking, Albert Token. Again, that's boomer thinking, man. I'm not calling you a boomer. I'm saying that's boomer level thinking. There's a science that controls these markets and nothing else, dude. About to be a Continuer Starlight nude. Thank you very much, man. 6 months. Look at this, dude. 6 months. For anything you invest in, let me put it this way. If you were to invest in a company based on their fundamental value, based on these ideas that having a real world application, the day trader always going to buy better prices than you, and he's always going to sell more than you. What does it matter, dude? Even if your stake in your mind, even if your brain is like, okay, we have to be investors, like even if you want to have that angle, although albeit it's, you know, you're doing low angle takes, and again, nothing personal, a day trader is going to get a better price than you anyway because he knows how to play levels. So whatever value you think you bring to the table as an investor, someone's going to buy cheaper than you anyway because they understand the market science. And then you're going to sell way too early anyways. They won't even be an investor in the coin, dude, or the project. They'll just buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, scalp it all the way up. That's boomer. Dude, imagine it's like, oh, back in the 1920s, oh, we just signed this letter and send it to Uncle Dan in the the next country over, and it's okay, it gets there in 2 months, and then he'll write me back. But it's like, dude, now we have telephones. We don't have to say hi in 2 months. You can just pick up your telephone and call somebody. It's like the same thing. What are you talking about? Putting money in a stock and waiting for what, 20 years, 10 years? Like, this is boomer thoughts, man. It's the same thing as like telegraphing your pen pal back in the 1920s. This is the exact same thing, dude. Like, you're talking about investing, and one day you may wake up rich, dude. What is this take? Like, I don't get it, man. This is boomer talk. They're gonna look back at boomers. We're giving ourselves a bad name. Investors you're giving yourself your own bad name. They're gonna look back at you and be like, can you believe Grandpa used to buy these stocks and wait 8 years to see if he could make money? Dude, good thing they only made $20 an hour. They're gonna be making $2,000 an hour minimum wage when they're all grown up, and they're gonna be like, yeah, boomers, dude. They don't know what they're doing. Like, it's crazy talk, man. It's boomer thoughts. It's lottery ticket talk. What are you talking about investing for, dude? You just day trade it, scalp it. Look at this, someone in chat. Full day of scalping, up 102%. Dude, you know how long these boomer investors are waiting for 102%? It's like, oh, 2 years old, dude. Like, my portfolio's up 100%, dude. Oh, shit. Dude, guy's making 100% a day, man. What are you talking about? Just learn a science and go 100x this shit to death. It's boomer mentality, man. You're talking about sending mail by goddamn train, hand mail to your pen pals by train, dude. This is like boomer mentality. Think of that for a second. It's so true. Imagine what they'll say, you know? And then when they lose money, when the boomers lose money, they're so old and decrepit, fossilized, dust in the wind. They're just like, oh, it's that Obama who caused this. Now I'm broke. Or it's that Trump. He did it to me. My 401k's in the shithole. It's like, okay, man. Well, good luck with that. Fucking boomers, man. They always got to do things so inefficient. It's where the term boomer came up from, because it was to like point at the dinosaurs who are just fossilizing. Like walking fossils, dude. Most people don't have the mental capacity or willingness to do trading. For them, it's easier to invest. And that's why they lose money, dude. Like, that's why. Of course, dude. They don't have the mental capacity to or willingness to do trading. And then people who do take advantage of those who refuse to. It's like, who do you think's gonna win a race? The guy who pulls up to the line with the walker and sandals, or the toned 20-year-old who's jacked out of his mind, sweating from the pre-workouts? Like, who's gonna win the race, dude? Guy's got tubes coming from his nose hooked up to his oxygen tank. Yeah, let's invest, man. Fuck it. Let's invest, dude. This looks smart. This is the way. Okay. It's such a cooked mentality, dude. It's such a cooked train of thought. In love with the new stream time? Nice, man. I've already made more money trading than my brother investing in Tesla years ago. Yep. Biggest crypto YouTuber in my country just said 2 days ago making 20% a year. Oh, dude. Don't expose him to my stuff. His whole world will collapse, dude. He's definitely not right. 20% a year is nothing. Maybe like general public perception. That's, dude. I have a video about my PNL on my IG. Go check it out if you want to know about my PNL. It's not a competition. This is an exploitation. Yep, absolutely. Nice, Tram just did banned. Nice, dude. But if you don't have the time to scalp, then don't try to be a trader, dude. If you want to go invest, it's still boomer mentality. Yeah, Yazzie has a good take on it. The only way to invest would be probably learning the science, find the greediest level. Exactly. Or just go walk into a bank and give them your money and be like, here, I want 1% a year, and they'll help you out. Then you don't even have to learn it on your own. But don't be sad when you see people who are, you know, if you're at a Christmas party and some guy's like, oh yeah, dude, I made like $700,000 this year trading. I got a full-time job, but I know how to trade, so no big deal. You know, I made 700K, bought my yacht, bought my boat, bought my car, bought my house, bought my cats, got my dogs, got cat trees, dog trees, keyboards, windows, blinds, got new shoes, carpets, everything, dude. They bought everything, dude. Yeah, I made 700K this year. No big deal. Got chairs, got 5 barbecues, 2 hot tubs, a spare just in case one breaks, and then you're sitting there making 1% at a bank. And then don't be sad when somebody's crushing a market because they took a little bit of time to learn. But then you're just sitting there like, oh, just invest, dude. Like expecting the same result. Again, it's just boomer, dude. It's all just a big boomer funnel, dude. It just all funnels into boomer mentality. All this shit. $7 billion people have no time to trade. Then they shouldn't cry about it when they don't make money and scream market manipulation. Then that's just being them being dumb low take. But that's good. When people are dumb low angle like that, when they have a low angle brain, then it's good because it puts money in our pockets, right? So like, let them be low angle. What do I do with my extra cash? I have different things that I do with it. I like to constantly be like building new houses and stuff like that. Not that I'm a big slumlord for properties, but I always kind of put my money into my own houses, right? Like I always kind of look for good times to upgrade my home, and then so I'll sit on cash until it's time to upgrade my home, and then I'll go into a certain thing and I'll do certain things with it in different ways I make it flow. But typically it's like from house purchase to house purchase. Want to trust a whole double for a second test when it's a larger time frame. Someone are just better in FA than TA. Nothing wrong with that. Gotta find Dread. Yep. Boomer. Boomer talk. Boomer talk 101, dude. FA equals boomer. That's completely wrong, Zoe. 20% of your net worth. Well, maybe that's not wrong, but net worth is a pretty skewed way to look at it. 20% of your net worth would be like making 800 or maybe even 2000% of your portfolio worth. Like that's a really odd way to put it, dude. 20% of your net worth. Imagine Jeff Bezos to make 20% of his net worth in 1 year investing. How big his portfolio would have to be. You know what his net worth is? That's kind of crazy talk. Like 20% of your net worth a year. Like net worth is a really weird question to use there because net worth is a combination of all your assets. So that's an odd take. I don't think net worth is the right way to look at it. Ah, nice, Kranoviz. Good job, dude. Meta report, yes. Advice: if you don't have enough money, keep trading, build your account, let it compound over time. Don't rush it. There's no rush, man. You have a barbecue for each corner of your garden? Dude. That's a smart take. You had no idea I was going to be streaming today? Gotta join Discord, man. Not a backside, no. I don't even know what this comment means. Everything here is reduced in a football match. What? Come on, there are no just traders in planet Earth. What does that even mean? I'm about to ban you for English, dude. Please. Legible. What does that even mean, dude? I've never blown through my account. I'm gonna start running through these questions and comments. Time to move on. Spicy stream, love it. If I get into a short, I'll let you guys know. That would be impossible if he has 100% of his net worth in stocks. That's impossible, dude. So he lives on the streets, no house, no nothing. He just has all just liquid cash and stocks, dude. That doesn't make sense. I think you don't understand what net worth means, maybe Zoe, but it's okay. Maybe he does, and I'm wrong. I could be wrong. I don't know. It sounds like you guys know more about this than I do. So actually, I don't want to say you're wrong, Zoe, because I actually could be wrong. But net worth is like everything you own, so I don't know how that's possible unless he's like back end loaned. But he would have more money, so much money that why would he even need a loan? I could be wrong. I think Zoe probably knows more about this than I do. Sounds like he's read about it, so I'll leave it because don't know what I'm talking about with that. Goes Bitcoin. She's ripping. It's only for patrons, Evil. No, I've never blown an account. Blown a poker account? No. That's what bankroll management is for. You should never blow an account as a poker player. Use bankroll management. Flexing my channel points. Highlight again and again. Well, man, you're going to be sad when you burn through all your channel points and have that giveaway coming on Monday and you need to use them for extra votes. Spoiler alert. Like, it's normal. Like, Liquid is right. It's normal to blow through an account in poker, but like with bankroll management, you shouldn't really blow an account because proper bankroll management rules are that you downscale your buys if you start losing buy-ins and you start going below your rule set of bankroll rules, right? So yeah, you guys keep asking for BTTV. Hold on. Let me Google this real quick. Settings and appearance? Is it just that simple? It should only take like 2 seconds to enable this, right? You guys keep asking every day and I keep forgetting to do it. You have to go to like BTTV and then enable it there. Here it is. Settings. Appearance. There you go. Franker Z emotes? No Franker Z emotes. Try now. I just enabled them. See if it's working, dude. Try now. Try ads? God, no, dude. I wouldn't pay for ads. You gotta be kidding me. I'm not selling anything on YouTube, so why would I pay for ads? No, I'm not saying it's like a bad take or anything. I just wouldn't pay for ads to like advertise free material. No thanks. Big fan. Thanks, Yumariko. Umer CEO. Thanks, man. Go highlight again. Zoe said you're right. It's not 100%, but very close. So like it's safe enough to say 100% because it would be enough that would like break his life, right? So I get it, man. Yeah, okay, makes sense. I might have to restart the stream to enable it, but it's on. I enabled it. We could do Franker Z's as well. Franker Z. I don't know if I want Franker Z emotes on. BTTV is good, but Franker Z's. Close and open the stream. Here, let me refresh. I might have to restart the stream. Good music again. Thanks, man. Yeah, I'll be playing Red Dead 2 today. I have videos on Bankroll in Blueprint. Umer CEO. Do it next stream. Don't close it. Yeah, I'm not closing my stream. It'll be enabled for next stream. New stream time so far. Good. Good. I like the energy I have. In the morning times, it's tough. Oh, dude, MJ, I appreciate that, man. I really appreciate that. We will be getting into a short today, hopefully. While we wait, let's go look at some other markets here. Let's quickly run through everything. Blueprint has bankroll management lessons in it. So Iron's looking like it's going to start holding its move and trying to move up. So Iron could be on the path of victory soon here. And commodity traders should keep an eye on Iron because this is about to pop by the looks of it. Kane hitting its target again. Wow. If that holds, Kane is going to get crushed. These charts are so old. They're like 8 months old. I haven't touched them since. Was an amazing stream yesterday. That's awesome, dude. Prophecy looks like it's coming true so far. Dip below the level, which is right here. Come back above it. Start to hold. So if we go here, hold and move up, prophecy true. I'm whipping through this stuff pretty fast. Gonna play some Hearthstone today. Gonna play some Red Dead. Hopefully take a trade on Bitcoin here. update my trend on NKLA. Yeah, you need to move this to the daily at this point. Nova still crushed. And Abriva trying for its life to create a move. I mean, Abriva doesn't look too bad. I can't believe it hit our 106 target, dude. That's so crazy. We called that so long ago. That is so insane. Waiting on Patriot 1. NVIV is holding. Same with Voyager. I can't believe Voyager is hitting our first target here. That's so close. You should be taking shorts on these callouts, dude. Like, it's so insane. All of these. ONTX, I'm excited for ONTX to drop. ONTX is going to be a big, big, juicy trade if it drops and holds. I'm excited for it. Same with Clove. Clove is just getting ready to be in such a premium spot. We're going to move Clove up the list here. We're also going to move ONTX up the list here. ONTX, right? Yeah, ONTX looks so good. What's IRTC doing? IRTC going for its move. ChemBio just went crazy, man. It's like 400% or something. 200%. Still, it's a lot. $23andMe. Oh my god, this got so close to our target. 891, 3 cents away. Dude, that's not bad. Bitcoin's on the move. We gotta hurry. PLGT hit our target. S&P moving up. Yeah. Doesn't look like it's gonna pull back anytime soon. I mean, it can if it breaks its move, but it hasn't yet. OGen hit target perfectly too. Not necessarily that means it's going to move up, but it's a really good trade if it was 20% pretty quickly. Yeah, CLVS is not going to hold this move, I don't think. NDA. We're waiting for much lower on NDA. What a fiesta NDA was. Oh my god, dude. How's that? People talk about Bitcoin being volatile. Go to the stock markets. They're insane. Ride is going back down to our target. I think Ride's going to go much lower now. I think Ride's going to be around 250 now. Looks like like 262. MoneyGram still moving up. S4. I already know that's S4. I recognize the chart. I already know this S4. I'm not even looking at the ticker, dude. I know this trend. I know this chart. Yeah, coin can suck it. This thing's gonna die. I might not, but it's not a trade I'd ever take. I wonder if Tesla's gonna have some kind of thing happen with their new vehicle that's coming out. The Roadster is gonna get delayed, and then it's gonna break trend. Like, it's gonna have like a delay announcement right after it breaks trend. Be like the perfect time for them as a company to release that. Sell their stock, rebuy much lower, like shareholder stock, because it's all hidden in different portfolios anyways, right? Like, it's all hidden. They wouldn't be selling Tesla. They'd be selling like whatever, Black Can Holdings. I got a green can here. We'll do Black Can. It'll be like Black Can Holdings, and it'll be like consist mostly of tech companies as a strategy and energy companies, and then like 95% of the portfolio will just be Tesla stock, and they own Black Can, and then they just like, oh, we didn't sell Tesla, we sold our Black Can stock. It's like, okay, man. And then they rebuy Black Can. It's like, all right. Nice one, dude. That's how it goes, though. That's how it works. Well, that's how some companies do it. That's not how all companies do it. That's some companies do it like that. Hey, Bitcoin, what are you doing? What are we saying? Trend? Maybe. How much of Blueprint has been released? I don't get too much into that, but there is more Blueprint to come. Complete Blueprint is not available. I can bet my life one of these guys have people trading for them every day. Yep. There's no way. I would agree with Scrappy. There's no way they're making billions holding. I would agree with that. I would agree with both sides of this conversation. I would agree with Zoe's take, and I would agree with Scrap's take. I think they're both partial parts of right. Go look at the SPX over the past 1,500 years. How do you find those bottoms? I'm really good at what I do, man. You just got an ad on YouTube. Get information in real time with our app. Trade the news. Well, I mean, they got to hold on, right? They got to hold on somehow. With big fund slippage and no. And liquidity, no. Oh, it's going up. Watch. I'm watching, dude. I have a trade on the books. Does it actually? Does Giro actually have a ticker, dude? Organic Energy Company. It actually does, dude. What is this? It's an okay drink. I don't know how good it is. It's okay. Like, I bought these Giro energy drinks. Maybe a different flavor would be nice. I'm going to try a bunch of these different kind of like energy drinks. But the thing is, I don't want to just buy an energy drink just because it's going to jack me out on caffeine. Like, I want something that's actually healthy for you. That's not filled with a bunch of stuff that thins your blood vessels to make the like that's pre-workouts, right? Like stuff that thins your blood vessels and a lot of chemicals in them. Like, I want something mostly consisting of like vitamins and natural properties, right? I don't want to read on a can like proprietary formula because it's like, okay, dude, thin my blood vessels out so crazy that everything, all the pathways are like fucking Ferraris on freeways, dude. Like, I don't want that. That's like pre-workouts, man. So I'm just trying a bunch of stuff out to see what I like, to kind of adopt something into my routine. But I do want it to be primarily like healthy ingredients and things that actually are good for me. Something that's not a ton of calories, something that doesn't have a lot of sugar in it, something that's not using chemical sweeteners. Like, I'd like to find something that is a half decent healthy drink that I can consume like 1 or 2 a day. 1 coffee and 1 or 2 drinks, man, I'm happy, especially if it's got pretty good properties in it, right? No, I think Bitcoin can go down all the way to 6K as its bottom, like 5,800. Flavor is bland. It's really terrible if you don't refrigerate them. If you've had one that's not refrigerated, it tastes terrible. An energy drink as your main sponsor would be nice. I'd be open to that if it was something that I would feel good promoting. Has cane sugar. I don't know if this has cane sugar. It has a little bit of cane sugar in it, not much. Does it have cane sugar in the ingredients? Yeah, but it's not much. I mean, it's only 25 calories a can, so, and it's only 5 carbs. It can't be that much. 4 grams of sugar in the entire can. That's nothing, dude. 25 calories. But the flavor is light for sure. It's not delicious. Yeah, I don't really do pre-workouts. I used to back when I was younger, but Organifi, I have, but I just haven't tried it yet. I'll definitely take a look at that, Kira. Organifi. Let's bring this up on screen. So I have actually looked at Organifi. Organifi drink, right? Maybe I haven't. I thought maybe Organifi green juice drink. Is that what this is? Green juice. Yeah. Okay. Let's check this out. So it's a powder. That I don't like. I want something I can have in a refrigerator. I'm sure they probably have. I know it's cheaper to get a powder, but I like things I can toss in my refrigerator. So we're taking a little bit of a pullback off trend. That's fine. We are going to pull back off each one of our levels. So just, mindfulness that each one of these levels will have pullbacks on them. It's about picking the right level. Like you can mark out a ton of levels, but it's about picking the right level, right? Like this had a pullback. It went a little higher, pull back here, pull back here, pull back here. Like we've got all three spots that a pullback's going to happen so far. But again, I'll bring a trade up on screen if I get into one. I haven't gotten into one yet, but the levels there will be some pullback points on these intermediate levels. It's where these decisions are made, right? So like every time you see a pullback, typically there is a level that's hit. It's just understanding which one it is. Things pull back on levels when people with larger holdings sell. So there's something there, right? It's just doesn't mean it makes sense. Here's the Organifi travel packs. What is this? Okay. Let's keep looking at this Organifi. Let's go down. Okay, you got green juice, you got red juice, but that's gonna be the same thing. You got gold. What are these travel packs? But I don't. You got move, you've got pure. I'm just hammering through the okay, so this is like vitamin. It looks like they don't have any actual drinks, and it's more of like a powder you put in. They have these travel packs. No, I want a can I can put in my fridge. Weird like that. I want something very specific. I want like a can I can store in my fridge. Take this and drink it. I don't think any energy drink you can buy is healthy. That's not true. Most expensive car I have ever driven? I've driven a lot of cars. I guess it depends. Like I've driven some vintage cars that are worth a lot of money. I've driven G-Wagons. I've driven... I guess for value-wise, I've driven a Celine S7. Those are over $1 million. Organifi green juice drink. Really? Let me Google this. Okay, you were talking about when yeah, okay, that's not and yeah, gotcha. That has nothing to do with this. You were just saying, yep, I was right. What is your trend, Cotton? 15, my dude. Kino Body Octane? I don't know what this is. Oh, it's a pre-workout? I don't want pre-workouts. Unless this is just a pre-workout that they sell. Yeah, no, I don't want pre-workouts. It's not for working out, dude. It's just something nice to drink instead of coffee, so I don't have to have all the calories and crap that I take in my coffee. You can put powder in for so yeah, you're about dude, Chud. I'm on perp. Yerba mate. Is that an actual drink? This is like, yeah, it is. It's the yellow can stuff. I like cars. I have a 2018 M3 and a GV80, 2021 GV80. They're both on my IG. One is on my YouTube, one is on my IG. No, they're both on my IG. Well, I definitely don't want to have an energy drink that's unhealthy, right? Like, I don't want that. I don't want something that's, like I said, putting your blood vessels so thin. It's like Ferraris on a highway, right? Like, I don't want that. I work out, yeah. I work out every day. Blue M3. Yeah, it's a Mexico blue. It's an extremely rare blue. On stock screen. Good. Damn it. Thanks, man. Good luck. Second on Yerbil Mate. Is it actually called Yerbil, like herbal, but with a Y? That'd be smart, dude. Yerbil Mate. I mean, so far gyros are good. I have a whole list of ones that I want to try. It's written down. I did a bunch of research on it, and I have like a list of 10 that I want to try, and they're all pretty decently healthy. Herba mate. Herba mate. Is it yerba or is it herba? I say yerba, dude. Even if it's wrong. Even if it's wrong, I'm saying yerba, dude. Yerba's. What are you drinking? Casual yerba. What are you drinking? Do I take any smoothies? I'm actually funny you mentioned it. Hold on. Let me grab something. Hilarious that you mentioned that. Wait 1 second. I literally just ordered this. And it came while I was streaming. Just FYI, speaking of juicing. Like a crazy blender to make juicing. I don't even know how you say it properly. I'm doing juicing. I think it was like $1,000, man. But I was like, yeah, I just want the best one there is. What are you doing? I'm doing juicing. What do you want for breakfast? Juicing? That's what they call a 100x blender. Yeah, it's a crazy expensive blender, but I wanted something that was really good because I'm gonna get into just taking care of myself a lot more. I've worked so hard for 4 years. I've basically thrown my health out the window, and I'm still in good shape and I still work out, but you know, there's more to health than just that. I've for 4 years now worked relentlessly, like 16 hours a day, and all the healthy habits I had have gone straight out the window because I've just been trying to push for my community. So I'm still pushing, but you know, I'm at a place now where I'm really good at this stuff, so I get everything done so much quicker. So juicing is the way forward. I'm all about personal health and not to be super fit and have a beach body. Like, that's cool, but I don't go to the beach. I actually just stay home most of the time. So I think it's just really good for mind and body. I like to have good, clean energy. I'm a pretty eccentric guy. I've got a ton of energy and I like it that way. I have no interest in getting jacked out of my mind huge. Like I'm already I'm in pretty good shape. Like I'm a pretty big guy. People see me and they're like, dude, how much do you bench? I don't know. I've been working out all my life, right? And I never was the kind of person to like rip my shirt off at the beach to run like the big jacked out guys on the beach, juiced out of their mind, maxed on 10. It's not me. I'd rather just have a nice shirt on, a nice white t-shirt, and you know, looking at my clothes, I'm happy with that. And it's more about balance in life and sleeping well and keeping my positivity and energy high. More about nurturing my brain and allowing it to grow. And I think nutrition is a great way to do that. Great way to keep really balanced in life. Exercise and diet for balance, not for looks. Yeah, funny you ask, because this thing just came while I was streaming. The doorbell rang. My wife put the package outside my door so I could see that it came. And yeah, it's like awesome, dude. I'm super excited to start using it. The blue M3 in that color, the Mexico blue, it's super rare clay in that color. They only made about a handful of them, maybe 50 max, maybe. From what I know, they only made about 15 to 20 of them. So you'll have a hard time finding it. But if you do, man, it's the car to have. Like an F80 M3 Miami blue with light white leather, there's like no better comp out there. Maybe like a Lime Rock CS, maybe. With like bright green calipers, something like that, but I don't know. I don't support BMW anymore. They destroyed their brand, in my opinion. I won't buy another BMW. Am I looking for an entry? Yes. I'm looking to short, but I don't want to tell my price because I don't want people to, I don't trade for other people. So, but I am looking for a short. Yes. You love my energy. Thanks, man. Just an Irish thing, I suppose. Very whimsical person. What is your opinion on shutting off society to focus on your skills, or do you think humans need social touch to stay sane? No, I think it's fine to shut off society and focus on your skills. I think personal development is important. Man, that one is awesome. Is that the giveaway? Hell no, that's not the giveaway. Dude, I just gave away a $2,000 clock. Sent it today to Yak. Like and Dak. He won the giveaway, dude. I just sent it today finally. And dude, I just gave away $2,000 clock, but I do have another giveaway on Monday. So that's gonna be hype. It's a good giveaway. It's not a crap one. Smoothie bowls every day with that? Yep. Ribeye steaks and trade. Yeah, you'll have zero fog, but you won't have the energy to do anything. 1K, my god, man. That's no big deal, man. I used to be so like worry about every little purchase in life, every cent saved. I've learned that it's just better to just live. And I don't burn through money like it's like I have, savings and goals and things like that, but I don't. Money is great, but when it starts stacking up, like you gotta enjoy. You've got experience in life, Way too much sugar. Yeah, I'm definitely aware of that. The vibe is so cool. Thanks, man. You only have one vehicle, make sure you put the right gasoline in it. Agree. Absolutely agree. Chair is really different. Did you consider a gaming chair instead? God, no, dude. This is a Herman Miller. You know how expensive these chairs are? This chair is incredible. I get sponsorships from like gaming chair companies all the time. I always say no. You have no holidays? And nope, you don't get holidays as a content creator. Some ginger and you're good to go. Yeah, absolutely. Damn these adult responsibilities. Grind TA. You could definitely do it, man. How much do you sleep a day? Well, I have kids, so it varies. You thought about steroids? God, no, dude. I wouldn't put that junk in my body. You kidding me? P&L for Jim. 3 a.m. here. Sucks, man. Health is wealth. Agreed, man. Girl, dudette, not man. Agreed. Unboxing. Yeah, I mean, juicing will F your insulin levels if you're out of your mind, gonzos. Like, if you're tossing like pineapples and watermelon in there by the pound and just going crazy for sure, dude. But balance, right? Balance is key. 0% yogurt, some good almond milk in there, oat milk, or even regular milk. Blueberries, raspberries, banana, a little bit of protein powder. You're not gonna destroy yourself. Spinach. You just depends what kind of juicing you do, man. If you're tossing in like pina colada type of stuff, then yeah, dude, you're gonna mess your body up. It's way too much sugar. But I mean, you know, it's just brain. F society, yeah, man. Hard balance, hanging out with friends constantly. Here's the thing in life, there's a point where you have to give up your friends and you have to move into being an adult. It happens to all of us. That is the best form of energy. For some people, for sure. Have I been vegetarian? I've tried, but I like meat too much. Put a stick on your computer, giveaway. Yeah, I know everybody wants a giveaway, but you know what's gonna happen. Quality mattress in 8 hours. Yep. How many screens? Well, I only use one for trading. You don't need more than one screen for trading. If you're asking regarding trading, but because I'm a streamer, I have 3 screens. I could do it too, though. No, I haven't gotten into a trade yet, JCap. Juba dude, thanks for the sub, man. I take trades when right trades make sense because I 100x only. Meet 0.48. I don't take trades like constantly. I'm 100xing only with max position sizes. So, you know, when I'm trading, I'm sliding my bar all the way to the right. Max position size 100x. So it's like 2,500 on 100x. So 4% is 10k profits. When you're trading like that, it's like accuracy or death. An air fryer I've considered. Yep. I'm not too much of a French fry guy. I don't know. You'd figure I would be because I'm Irish, but no, I'm not too much of a French fry guy. Yeah, there's a certain point in life where either you or your friends will do this. Like, okay, it's like this. Have a group of friends, right? You have like friends and you have maybe like 6 in your group or however big or small your group is. Maybe it's 3, maybe it's 6, maybe it's 50. I don't know. If it's 50, you got a lot of friends, dude. Holy crap. One of these people will go here. This is the evolution zone. So if this one is you, you might not go there, but one of your friends will go there. And they've realized that they have to give up friendship in order to get places in life because gone are the days of partying, gone are the days of this and that. And then that's not a problem. The problem isn't that, oh, I can't party anymore, guys. I need to focus, so I can't be going out every weekend anyway. Sleep, I have to have routines and, you know, exercise and this and that. And I can't stay out till like 3 in the morning drinking with you guys anymore. It's not about that. It's the valley that grows in between friends when one of the people leaves the group to like live a better life. It's evolution, right? You evolve past the childish games in life and you want to start doing better things. Which, if your friends aren't doing that, you're kind of the odd person out, right? Like you're kind of the one doing this evolution, and then you hang out with your friends and everything's weird and it's changed. No, you don't need multiple screens as a day trader. So someone in the group evolves, and then that person's like, oh yeah, he changed. No, dude, he evolved. man, he's on to trying to figure his life out, and everybody's got to figure their life out and make those changes. But the big thing is that split that it causes, that valley, or that, oh, they've changed, right? It's not that they've changed. It's just that they are trying to live their life differently, and now you guys don't connect on the same childish things you used to connect on, right? So I don't know. I think everybody goes through that, where somebody in the group always kind of evolves or changes, and then it just creates this weird gap. And then you find that you don't really have a lot in common with these people. People change over time. Who you are when you're 20 and 25 and 30 is not who you are when you're 35 and 40 and 45 and 50. People are constantly changing. People realign their values in life. Just because you were a shithead when you're 25 doesn't mean you have to be one when you're 30. Sometimes people get hit with like really tough stuff in life, and they're like, oh man, my dad died, my friends left me, whatever. All these things happen. I got into car accidents when I was drunk, whatever the scenario. And it can change them. And then they're like, why? I was doing this stuff when I was 25, and then I got to be 30, and I grew up, and I actually found a career and a person who I wanted to share a life with. And now your friends change too, because that emotional maturity and that the intellectual maturity and the emotional maturity changes. So then you want to be around people as you get older who connect with you on the things that you're growing through in life, because you grow apart from people. They grow too fast for you, or you grow too fast for them, and then there's that disassociation with them. So it just happens. You're best off letting go of the past, buckling down, evolving your mind, evolving your emotional pool, your mindset, and then connecting with new people who are more like the new you. That's my take on it. I'm always trying to evolve who I am as a human being. Do I stream on the weekends? Yes, for Patreon only though. $2,500 is max on a normal account, yes. 125x is only $400 you can trade with, so I don't find it very useful. Yeah, you only need one screen for trading. I'm surrounded by people that are all happy with 9 to 5. There's a big red flag right there. They don't invest. Seriously, so many different things. They're nice guys, don't get me wrong, but it's tough. Yep. I would trade altcoins and look for Bitcoin to be breaking out of 100x spots. And then just trade larger amounts on that. Now you double chart alts. Alts is different because you can hit a lot of opportunities on alts. I don't know if you need multi-monitors for that, but more like signals, I suppose, or just like really good memory. It's not an active thing where every single chart is popping at once, so. Time zone is not really that too much of a consideration in stocks. Comforting to know that ain't just me. Yeah, it's so true. $35 plus, and they wanted to delete you from their friends list, Caitlin? Who are these people? That's insanely needy, dude. Dudette. That's insanely needy. People evolve. If you're not growing your mind and your emotional state and your mindset, like people change, people evolve, and then you need to be finding new friends who are on the same path as you, people you can connect with, so you can just enjoy life and live in the moment. Living in the moment is so important. It doesn't mean to be, people hear that term, oh, live in the moment, and they don't. Everybody's so quick to think like, oh, you don't care about the past or the future, you have no life goals. Dude, I live in the moment every single day, and I have great goals, and I've done very well in life. People would look down on me on the street because I'd just be like, yeah, I just live in the moment. And they'd look down on me, and until they saw my mansion and cars. And then they'd be like, oh, I want to live in the moment too. Like, fuck off, man. What do you mean? Like, I'm not saying that to be arrogant. I'm saying, like, living in the moment is what everybody should do. It doesn't mean you don't have goals when you live in the moment, but understanding like every day you can't worry about the past and the future. You have to live in that moment and enjoy it and intake life for what it is. And it takes emotional maturity and intelligence to do that. Finding yourself, like, you can never really be happy in life until you love yourself. I think that's a really important thing that people need to realize. You have to love who you are and what you do. At the bar, tuning into you, love listening to your outlooks. Thanks, man. That's super cool. I used to go to the bar all the time when I was like 20. I don't know how old you are, Dolphin, but any age the bar is fine. It's just after 5 days, nice friends. That's crazy needy. Caitlin, you need a new set of people. That's crazy needy. 23 years you've been friends with these people. I mean, those are like childhood friends, and I get that. Sometimes childhood friends hang on because there's this thought that one day everything is going to go back to the way it used to be. That idea of, oh, it's the way it used to be, right? And one day there's this thought that it's going to go back there, but that never does. See you, Dr. D's. I think my biggest life change is when I truly stopped worrying about the future. And so, like, I've always had money because of trading, but I've always wanted to hoard it like some kind of weirdo. No matter how much I had, I always wanted to hoard it in my bank account like some kind of weirdo. And it wasn't until I actually broke out of the mindset that it's just money that I really evolved in life and grew emotionally and intellectually. It's so important to understand how. Yeah, I know a lot of people who are very successful and close to me, but they can never live in the moment because they're so worried about the future and they're so worried about the past. And it's like, dude, like, life is passing you every single day. Like, you can't. It doesn't mean you can't be successful. Doesn't mean you can't have goals, but it just means that you have to enjoy your every day. Then you'll start to succeed. 32 4K? That's big for sure. I would stay maxed at 27, but I also do some gaming. So for me, 32 is way too big. You just got to be successful, JDMV. You just have to be successful and then prove them wrong with that. Wood Watchers. What is Wood Watchers? No, I don't trade any. I don't trade any altcoins. So outside of Binance, no. Posy vibes, dude. Nothing but posy vibes. 18 and your friends are the same. For months, I decided to be who I wanted and get what I want. Since then, I'm not with them so much. And today, I find that I've gone on a trip without me telling me everything, without telling me anything. Oh, they went on a trip without you, without telling you anything. I won't let it bother you too much, man. Like, oh, I would have probably said no anyways. No big deal. And 18 is pretty awkward age. People take things so personally. Killer Brussels sprouts, dude. I love Brussels sprouts. Load up my lessons into your brain like the Matrix. Only 2 this weekend. Only 2 this weekend. I'm taking a lot of time to redo things. I've taken a pretty big stance on trying to improve some of the YouTube stuff right now to better direct people and give them a clearer vision of what each lesson is supposed to have in terms of an outcome. So I'm kind of creating a system right now that's not really a system, but I'm just doing something that's going to help people a lot with YouTube. So I've been really busy. See you later, Caitlin. Have a good one. Using my bank as a stonks broker? Yeah, I use my bank. I use my bank because of accounting reasons. It's really easy to just compile it for your accountant, and then there's no worries about fraud or not getting order or fills on orders. And for accounting, it's just way better. You get into deeper accounting cues like, oh, prove that you're an active trading account. So if you're incorporating or whatever, you get into an easier queue with a bank. It's like, oh, prove that you're an active trading account. Sure, here's my bank. Oh, this is just whatever exchange. Prove it. Show your bank records. Like with a bank, it's just easy. This gets into a deeper conversation with, oh, okay, are you active or passive trading? What's your corporate structure setup? So now you're getting into a completely different thing other than, oh, can I do it? Yes, you can do it with other brokers, but I personally use my bank for this reason. See you tomorrow, man. Professional investor could be, I mean, that's got to be decided locally, right? But it might just mean that you need like an incorporation and be considered an active trader. Be right back. Gonna take a small break, and we're gonna wait for Bitcoin to hit our level. It's probably happening pretty soon, and then boot up some Hearthstone or Red Dead. I'm gonna decide, but small break. Be right back. Okay. Bitcoin moving up. Possibly to trend. Yeah, it's possible. If I get into a trade, I'll let people know. I don't share my trades. The more callouts I do, the more people just would come to leech, which I don't like. I mean, Bitcoin's moving up, obviously. It's still moving up. It's on a rip right now. Going a little crazy right now. I guess the question is just if it breaks this trend and starts to move down against a higher time frame, right? That's the real question right now. But you're gonna see a pretty wicked dump if Bitcoin rejects. That I can say. You're gonna see some pretty wicked stuff if it rejects. Yeah, on purpose, I don't give those kind of callouts. No one does that. Yeah, true. Yeah, Bitcoin looks like it's about to rip right now. Seriously. Hey, Bitcoin, what are you doing here, man? Here she goes, about to rip. I guess I should check my other chart before I say that. I'm just looking at trading you saying that because there is a level here, so. Hey, Bitcoin, this is taking way too long, man. Like, can we speed things up here? There's no need for this kind of stall out on price. Just hit our target and let's go, please. Yeah, I'm enjoying the music too. Music's really good. Bitcoin is having the fight of its life right now. It's crazy. I'm just doing work off screen on my other chart to make sure here that that this is the right place. Because we're, well, I'm not gonna say anything. Two spots that there could be a possible short here. I feel like I'm getting too greedy. Gotta check different time frames. We might miss our trade. We're getting pretty greedy here, but that's okay. I'd rather be greedy and miss a trade. I'm not gonna say where my, well, like I want to, but there's people who have trades there, so I don't want to. Originally, I had my order set at 738, but I think you can go deeper. I think you can go deeper than 738, but I did have my first order set like right here. But I removed it just now. Guess we'll see. We'll see if I was right or not. I mean, I might as well share a target that I removed, right? Like 738 is not going to be something I go after now. Can hold for sure, but I'm going to take a different spot. Discord is by joining Patreon. Hey, Bitcoin. A pretty risky spot, but I do like, there's a lot of things I like about the trade, as risky as it is. A lot of things I really like about the trade. Bitcoin's moving up. So I'm working on my other screen here, checking things out. Oh, countdown timer is huge, man. It's so important. Even the music has become more quiet. Hey, Elon, show us that you're made of, dude. Have your traders shard the markets. Just tested the 4-hour, by the way. I know that because I'm watching it on my other screen. I just haven't updated this. Oh my god, look at that volume. Pum, pum, pum. Bye 4-hour. Come on, 4-hour. 4-hour goes bye. Come on, 4-hour goes bye, and we juice. Yeah, Bitcoin. Night, Liquid. There's our first target. So that's if we would have left our trade right now. There's target and trend. This should have some spice on it, but I don't think it's going to hold. If it does, feels bad, man. Get the next one, but I don't think it's going to hold. So I remove my order. How do you know? Because I know, dude. I know these things, okay? I know some things. I know people. I know things about things, and people that know things about other things that know more people. And all their people, they know things too. Oh, that was big. Someone just shorted 500 Bitcoin there. Up goes the weasel, baby. I don't think so. I'm not falling for it, dude. Like Chris Isaac, Wicked Games right now. I'm not falling for it, man. Confirmed, he knows people. Looking like it might pull back here. Well, let's hope we were right in removing the order. I mean, we got pretty close. But I hope. I'm gonna move over trend here. mean, like I said, I removed my order. So 738 was where my order was. I removed it. Hey, where'd the music go? A little bit more synthwave. Then we're gonna change up the music a bit. Maybe some lo-fi. 2 more songs. Palms are sweaty. Dude, I used to get like that. Get into a trade and I'm just so nervous, man. Now it's just like, yeah, whatever. Kind of numb to it, to be honest. I was going to, yep. But I'm not. And like I said, I took my order off. I don't think we're stopping here. Yeah, the last order on the book if it holds. If I get into a trade, I'll let people know. I'm so stupidly greedy on this though that if I get filled right to the top. I wouldn't be surprised to see it go to like, I'm not gonna say. I'm not saying anything. Too many people like, based on what I say, I'm not gonna say anything. 33,050, what is possible? I don't know what's there, but I can tell you based on what I'm looking at, it's possible for it to breach over 33K. Hey, there goes a big boy order. See that thing crawl up? That's like 500 Bitcoin, dude. Whoever shorted that 500 here just exited there. Nice try, man. Learn your levels better, my dude. Like the same guy who, it looked like the same to me. Same guy who like 500 down there, 500 up there. That's an expensive mistake, dude. It's not that bad. Like 20% of 500 Bitcoin. Not that bad. Depends on his risk portfolio and how he's entering and exiting. But it looked like market orders, so those are pricey. Those didn't look like limit orders to me. And we go up. Exciting times for Bitcoin, that's for sure. This is a good time to be on stream. Might be a pullback here. Maybe. I don't think so, man. This is at 100K. This is the run, dude. This is the moment right here. This is the one. I'm doing work on my other chart. I don't think it's done, but we'll see. I'm still not in a trade. We're gonna see. We're gonna see what happens. I'm still charting on my other screen like crazy just to make sure I don't miss anything. $783. Good entry. Good entry, but I think it's going higher. I almost want to adjust my trade even higher yet now. I'm not going to touch my trade because it's too close to too many targets. I'm not touching my trade. So how high could Bitcoin in theory go? Oh man, it would take a lot, but it could go to like 41,000, but it would take a lot. There's a lot in the way. Like that's really optimistic, but in theory, that's where it can go. Like I said, I don't think it's done. And I know people. I know people and they know people. Hmm. There we go. About to pump up again. Yep. See where this thing goes. Like I said, if I get into a trade, you guys will be the first to know. AXS will be moving up because Bitcoin's moving up. A lot of people calling out targets in chat. I find that interesting. I like seeing all the target callouts in chat. It's kind of cool. Amazon looking for a digital currency and blockchain production lead. Yep, that's great. Nothing to do with the price of the stocks, man. But so what is that all about, Evil One? Did they just post that or something? Yeah, for jobs. Like some kind of job listings thing. Callouts are incredible. Yep. Perfect when you can just take the Kant approach and just don't give callouts. Then you never have to be wrong. No, I give targets every day on stream. I do. It's just I don't give exact trade targets, but I do give targets pretty much every single day, and they just get hit relentlessly. I just don't say where I'm taking trades. Like that you don't tell exact targets. Person needs to check my accuracy. Yep, absolutely. Target was almost hit. Almost hit. $5,000 Bitcoin. Yeah, well, this is the moment, right? Like, this is why I'm taking this trade here. Target almost hit. Oh, I might have to get re-entry if it pulls back if I miss target, but that's okay. I'd rather see re-entry anyways. Because I don't trade for people, dude. I don't trade for people, benefactor. It's gonna go for a wicked dump if it doesn't break here. Thing looks like it's about to break its move. A lot of Bitcoin coming through. I think I'm just going to remove my trade. Yeah, I'm just removing my trade. It's not going to stop. I'm not in the trade. That's way too crazy. I removed it last second. That's way too crazy for me. Looks like it's about to break its move. Going for a higher target. It could ladder here, but it's also breaking a nasty trend, so I'm not going to risk it on this. Going for a much higher target. It can pull back here for sure. It can. But I'm not going to risk it. It actually just looks like it's setting up a trend break, so yeah. This is a pretty nasty move on Bitcoin. This is actually setting up a trend break on a pretty massive trend right now. So this potentially setting up an accumulation cycle, potentially, if it does break its move here, which it looks like it is. It's just way too risky. Yeah, like this is such a nasty trend break, it's insane. Potentially breaking the entire range back from 36K. Potentially, yeah. Here to here to here, yep. Oh, I don't care who he follows, dude. He doesn't want to follow me, I don't really care. If he follows people, that means his brain is broken and he can't make decisions for himself, dude. That's not a good look. What, is he looking for free handouts because he doesn't have the brain to do it for himself? I don't know, man. Maybe give him some vitamins or something. Maybe it'll help him out. I don't know what to say. Or who he learns from. Yeah, I don't know what to say, dude. Maybe what are some different kind of vitamins to help his mind? Because that doesn't sound like a very good strategy. No offense to your brother, but it's just like, you're looking for handouts, dude? Go to the fucking Salvation Army, man. Go get food stamps and look for handouts that way. Go come on a stream looking for investing advice, people you can follow, and be like, oh yeah, dude. Like, that's like a low angle take, man. Learn for it yourself. That way you can take responsibility for your own stuff. You know what I'm saying? It's my 2 cents, I suppose. Yeah, this thing's breaking up. Like I said, this is not a spot where you're taking a trade here. Like it's gonna break maybe to 33,550, and maybe have a pullback, but like it's breaking a major trend right now. He sounds weak. Give the man some vitamins. It's a crazy trend it's breaking right now. I'm not interested in trying to play a trend break like this. Like, yeah, it's just, it's a crazy trend break. If it doesn't pull back on the trend break, it's just, yep. You're up at like 34.2 now. 33.5 or 34.2. More likely 32.5, and even more likely than that 34.4. Yeah, like 34.4. Damn, should have been on a long since this trend break. You'd just be sitting pretty right now waiting. You got a long ninja? Nice, dude. Next trade's not happening for a while. Like, I'll watch Bitcoin for a few minutes, but I'm not looking to take a short. It's too late to long, and I'm not looking to take a short here. Long at 32. Nice job, dude. Nice one, man. You're up stacks, man. Or I am by con. See you, man. Top rating, of course, with their knowledge. There's a nice of you as well. Thanks, man. Good job on the long, dude. You're long on 32, 170 seems genius now. Hey, Shavik, what's up, dude? I think we're going to be lingering around here for a bit on Bitcoin. Time to play some Hearthstone. Red Dead 2 or Hearthstone. I mean, it's breaking a pretty crazy trend. So what the volume you guys are seeing is because it's breaking a trend, and a lot of traders or institutions, larger money pools, will be exiting shorts from much higher on this trend break. Like, these are short exits all the way up from like 36K. Like, this is short exit is breaking to go to a new target. So this is short exit breaking, right? So you take profits, hedge longs, either way. That's why you see such an insane push there. It's the way trends really work in reality, and not the fake way they work. That's why you see like how many thousands and thousands and thousands of Bitcoin going through, rolling through. Probably like 10K Bitcoin in 5 minutes or something stupid like that. Half decent little pullback on Bitcoin, but yeah, like 20K Bitcoin in 10-minute span. Daryl sucks. Mex and Murlocs makes me want to go Curator. I mean, Galliwax is hype AF, but without elementals and beasts kind of sucks. You want that token generation, right? No pirates, no elementals. That's like makes Galliwax. You want pirates too, because it's like 4 gold for 3. And Illidan is trash without beasts, so it's always Curator here. Curator's like the nuts here, those picks. Let's vote. I'm gonna play a game or two of Hearthstone, then probably run into some Red Dead. I think I'm gonna download Warzone for next week. Oh, you always take the mummy here. Mummy's hype. Start scaling the Amalgadon. No, I don't play Warzone. It would be the first time I played Warzone in God, I don't know how long. Warzone is trash, dude. The first time I played it in how long? I don't even know how long. Stay yourself and don't play Warzone. Possibly GTA RP. We'll see. I always lose here, right? He's staying on tier 1. Yeah, that's fine. Galakrond is so good, man. I played WoW back in the day. I don't know if I want to get into WoW. I want to play New World, but New World is frying GPU, so that's not possible. Yeah, this is incredible. This and this and this, right? Just roll twice. I don't know if the Ritualist is really that much better. It's really good, but demons in the game means I can look for scale on Amalgadon. I guess you just take this and just hope to roll it next turn. Yeah. There's just a lot of scale here. There's mechs, there's demons. There's no Murlocs on two that you'd want. Fullbores. Bet you were rogue? No. What was I? Shaman and Pally. But I main Shammy. They added a hotfix for frying 3090s. Do you have a link for that? If they did, I'll play it. Oh, dude, this guy got rolled. Geez, like Might of the Stormwind is really good right now. I would never take this, it's trash, but the scale the Amalgadon, I think I'm gonna take it. I also want double War Leader, but this is too good. That's just like hyper nuts there. I mean, I could take a War Leader, I could roll once, sell. I think I just take a War Leader, right? Whoa, chill out, man. Dude, I'm really strong right now. I guess we'll freeze to see if we triple it. Otherwise, we just roll, take the double or buffers if there's buffers. As long as this doesn't buff the Overseer, we're good. That first. This second. Yeah, that's good. At that point, you go like that. Save the HP, blast, most damage. What do you mean no BE today? Let me take a look at this Reddit thread, see if there's any hotfix. Oh, not Reddit. It's not a Reddit thread. Sorry, it's something else. Oh, what is this crap, dude? What? Golden Soul Juggler, man? What is this garbage, dude? He's still gonna lose. Here, go here. Yes, dude. Punished, man. Golden Soul Juggler, dude. Maybe link it to me in Discord. I don't know. People are still reporting crashes 30 minutes ago, so I'm not sure. I don't see any statement on their forums. No, there's no fix out yet. So I did buy the game and instantly queued a refund on it. As soon as I read that, without even loading it once, well, it was actually still downloading. I read that and I was like, nope, refund. And I already got my refund for it, but I'll buy it again if they fix the problem. Yeah, I'm watching BTC on my other screen. Got 33,550 and 34,250. Probably 34,4 is my target, I think. I'm not 100% sure of that yet, but that's what it looks like to me. That's really good, by the way. That's like such a hyper roll. Just roll. Whoa. Okay. Yeah. And you just play this, right? Because you want to get the full stats. I believe that's the play here. You just play this on this, right? You don't play the Deflecto. You can save that for a turn. Deflecto was really good until you like freaking Giga rolled Overseers, dude. What is this? I would be more looking towards 34-4 at this point, guys. How do you do this? You just buy roll for 5, or do you go for a 6? You just go for a 5 drop here and try to get a menagerie build going. Hey, this thing has got buffed every single turn from this. That's crazy. Handbrake create a pullback? No, I don't think so. That's crazy, man. So Agam is really good here. Agam is like the nuts here. One of them anyways. It's like such a high roll, this Agam. It's like, what do you play? I guess you hold the Agam, but you need like a diamond generator now. I think you go like this. This isn't going to survive more than 2 hits, right? You want to buff this, and I kind of want to do this. This could die that way, but I think that's the right play. You don't want to buff this. It'll get too much HP. It might not die. This can be pretty scary at 9 health, the breakpoint. A lot of 4 damage units in the game, and 5 and 3. 9 health is a breakpoint, so it's pretty decent. Yeah, I'd be looking more at 34-4 now, for sure. I guess I should bring up my deck tracker so I can see percentages. Ah, that sucks. That's tough. That's good. 40% to win that, 20 to tie. Lose 40, so it's a 40-20-40 there. One gold higher. It's Gruul, right? Always Gruul? Or is the gold better here? Probably just always Gruul. You could try to like hyper roll 6s with evolving, but I think Gruul's always best here. Always take this. This is a generator for your Agam. Do you level here? You're getting rid of Micro Mummy. This. I guess you can roll once, right? So Gruul's always going here. Or is it better on a Divine Shield? Let's just roll once. You need the Banner Boar. You don't. There's no way to get 3 gold, right? You take the Banner Boar. Shit. Man, this is a tough choice. You sell this and this. You play this. I believe you go here. This is going to get poisoned in the future, so actually you go here. Because you're keeping this all game. It's just like, do you Banner Boar here? Or do you... I mean, I think you level, right? You level and freeze? But this is tough. I'm pretty sure you level here. I'll freeze for this. It can be really like strong buffs. Yeah, you grow this because of the like this will end up getting poison, right? Like the Amalgadon will always have poison here. Oh, that's tough breakpoints, man. That's really good. Oh no, Slanna doesn't kill it. What? Oh, dude, these breakpoints. I need to clean this at least. Ah, thank God. That's not so bad, I suppose. 70% to lose, 7 to 15. What do I take? 9? Pretty decent. I'm definitely taking this Banner Boar. I don't think you're ever taking this, are you? No. This you're taking 100% of the time. Nothing. That you need. 100% you always take this. It's a retrigger for this on the Amalgadon. I suppose you sell this. Like, I really wanted to eat the stats on this. Maybe you just sell the Murloc, actually. The smarter play is to sell the Murloc. So the reason you sell the Murloc here is because you want to eat this and get a better demon, one that can rescale. Like, you can keep this, right? So you do this. You sit on 1 gold. You do this. You play this here. Right? You sit on the gold. Buy this next turn. You can sell the Murloc. Yep. This has to get hit twice, so you just lose 1 stat here. No, I didn't take the trade. I canceled my order because it was breaking the move. 90% to win, so I should win this. There. Damn, dude. I mean, I'm 90% to win. This guy's got double Flat Tusk. What is this world we're living in, dude? What are these units, man? Double Flat Tusk? I was supposed to do 7 to 13. I did 8. That's not bad. I can do a screen share so you guys can see the percentages. Always take this. You need blood diamond generators. You don't need this anymore. You already have one. I guess you want one for the Deflecto, I suppose. You might as well. But you've got 1 roll to take a unit now. You ever take this? No, you just look for a diamond generator. Oh, there you go, Light Fang. That's huge. That could possibly be good. I guess you're swapping, right? 911 or 318. I guess you just keep the 911. It's not enough stats to change over, but this you're taking 100% of the time. I guess we just keep the demon. Yeah, I mean, this doesn't have poison yet. We still need another poison for the other one. Do you want to grow the poison? I think you want to grow the poison at this point. Shit. I need to move this over. I forgot about the banner boar. Oh, it's okay. I just need to move these back in the queue here. I kind of screwed up my own order, so that's my own fault. Dude, this guy's 96% to win. What is his... Like, how many soul jugs this guy got, man? That's crazy, dude. I need to snipe one of these, like, ASAP Rocky, like, right now. Brutal, man. Oh, dude, he 3-snap. Oh, man, that sucks. This is crazy. This is good. This is good. These are both really good. That's a huge pull right here. Yeah, triple the Light Fang. That's insane. You just sell one of the banner boards, right? You don't need both. I mean, you can eventually ditch the banner board if you wanted to. Or just sell the Murloc here. Maybe you just sell the Murloc. Both banner boards, so it's an extra 1. I think you just sell the banner board. You need to keep scaling here. This is terrible. Oh, I mean, the Imp Mom was good. It's not all bad. The Imp Mom was fine. Boars. Yeah, okay, that's fine like this. Oh, I screwed up the order again, dude. What's wrong with me, man? I mean, I don't even think it's that important to get the stats on this at this point. But I should still be getting the stats. Like, I'm just playing like an idiot. Architecture, yeah. There's like 11 years in university, man. 100% lethal, 19 to 25. Jesus, dude. Guy's getting rolled. New hero power, I suppose, right? I mean, you could get Divine Shield here. Wind Fury, Divine Shield. Bananas isn't as good. New hero power, always. 2 damage. Oh, 3 wishes is pretty good here. 3 wishes is really good. Yeah, 3 wishes is really good. This is like a hyper flex. I can buy any unit on board and just triple it instantly. If I would have bought that other one, I could have tripled this. I don't think you ever triple this. It's kind of pointless. It doesn't do anything. What even 6 drop would you get? Another Imp Mama, and then you could 3 wishes into it? Nah. Dude, how many of these Agams am I gonna find, man? What is this? Now you can triple any card with this, so I could get another Light Fang if I wanted to now. Yep, I'm taking this. Poison. It's good, but I almost want to get the roll instead. I want to find a Light Fang. Foxfin here or here? No. I'm pretty good on stats. Could triple the Bristleback. Nope, it's too late for that. Yoink the blood gems onto the bristle. No. %100 win, 90% to lethal. Oh, nice trade, dude. Really nice trade. Yeah, 100% lethal is right, dude. Check rune target. It didn't, dude. This is really nice, but like the 3 wishes, yeah, it has to execute, right? You could triple this right now. Like you could just, but no, you can't. It's not worth it. That's not worth it either. That's bait. You need to actually find it on board. If I could buy this and triple it, I guess it's worth it. It kind of feels bad, but I mean, I only have one more roll to find it, so it's a lot of stats. Get another Imp Mama, triple that. What do I have the most minion type of? Little boars. So you could find another Agum. It's like the Agum's not even that good anymore, though. Nadina sucks. Full Reaper sucks. So you just go this. See what it gives you next turn. I don't even know what you sell next turn, to be honest. One of these. The Murloc, possibly. I'm just gonna see what I roll. Why is it so slow again? Because it's trying to hit a bigger target. One Light Fang. That's all I need to find. One Light Fang. At this point in the game, though, I don't think it's worth it. The one Light Fang, I don't see how that can be worth it. I could level roll. I need 6 gold. I would have 6 gold. So yeah, okay, I can do that, and then I can sell this banner boar, and I can try to snipe the Oh god, dude, what the f is this? He went first. That kind of sucks. I lose my free divine. Should be okay here. I think I win this. A lot of effing stats, man. Nice, dude. Yeah. Barely, man. I mean, it's okay because they hit Mama Stella as a summon, so it's okay. Was that ice block? Yeah, dude, screw off, man. Did you help with Bitcoin pump? What do you mean? Like, buy a bunch of Bitcoin and push up the price? Is that what you mean by help with the Bitcoin pump? I could get a golden faceless, which gives me a golden copy of any card. That's kind of meme, right? Is that... I don't even know what to do here. Is that like meme? Dude, what the fuck am I supposed to do? Oh, you level here? Am I supposed to buy this gold in it and then golden copy the whatever that comes on the board? Dude, this is like super fucking meme, dude. Why is that the play? Is that what you're supposed to do here? I think so, right? You do this. You gold in it and then you make a golden copy of whatever card you get? Or do you spend... No, you spend 3 gold because it would generate another one, right? Like that's meme. No, because you still get the golden either way. Okay, fuck it. Experimenting, boys. Okay, here we go. Here we go. There you go. There's the 6 drop, right? Then you do this. Dude, this is like an actual meme. You take this? Game's over. You can't. You take this, right? Dude, this is dumb. This is dumb, dude. This is dumb. Take another one. Let's go, dude. I mean, you're supposed to golden the flat tusk there, but like... There's not going to be another turn, dude. This is the end of the game right here. I'm 99.5% to win, so it doesn't matter. It discarded my Discover a triple. That's got to be a bug, right? Like, that's not supposed to happen. You guys saw that, right? That's not a card that expires. So that's like a hyper bug. So for some... 0.3 to tie. If we tie, the game hyper bugged me. Because that's like a giga hyper bug. Like there's no like in between there. There's no way you're supposed to discard that card. That's gotta be a bug. It has to be a bug. So just like it gave me an Amalgadon, it discarded it and swapped it for an Amalgadon. Dude, that's so random. What is this? Fucking max meme, dude. What is this? I don't know. Any Hearthstone players see that, they're like, okay, that's a bug for sure, because that's definitely a bug. Game went okay. I got first, can't complain, but MMR's pretty low, so. Help with a Bitcoin pump? Yeah, man, I don't know, what do you want me to do with that? How do you see Bitcoin? Will it drop or continue the pump? That's gonna continue moving up, man. It's a pretty crazy trend it broke, so unless it has some kind of crazy rejection, it's like I'm saying 34.4 next. You got Elementals, which is really good with Zyrilla. Pirates is amazing with Zyrilla. Mex is decent with Zyrilla too. Spellbore's okay with Zyrilla. This is like a really good pool. Like you don't want Beast with Zyrilla. And Murlocs is good with Zyrilla, so yeah, we're just gonna go Zyrilla. Need to sleep. See you, man. See you Monday, my dude. Yeah, this is exactly what you want to do. You want to start getting stuff like this. But I kind of want to micro mummy it. Please take that. This like it's really good. This is all good here. Like these are all good cards. I think you actually freeze and stay on tier 1 here. You take the micro mummy. Freeze, stay on tier 1. You get this next turn, sell a copy. Buy that. I think you're supposed to take this. Fuck it, I'll take the micro mummy. It's too strong. I'm not gonna freeze. I'm gonna look for triples on micro mummy. I'm taking that. That's for damn sure. And I'm staying on tier 1 now, because that's nuts, dude. If it's obvious that we're breaking up, want to look for possible entry, go ahead if you want to. I wouldn't take an entry here. It's too high in price. Just assuming more risk. So he's Elemental, staying tier 1. So he's going to be buying another unit. So he's going to be on the 1/4, the 2/2. So I guess you just freeze, right? You're not buy, sell, buy. Kind of feels weird to stay on tier 1. That's actually not bad. Yeah, I'm gonna do it because he's too strong. He's gonna be too strong. He's gonna have like double units. I don't want to lose. I don't lose HP for no reason. I don't care about this micro mummy buff. Doesn't matter. Yeah. See? Not worth. At least I possibly win here. Yeah, I win. I don't want to take damage against Galakrond. I don't want to take damage at all this early in the game. There's no like three life can be the difference. So you can roll once for the 2-drop, or you can just hero power this. You just hero power this, right? Yeah. The only benefit there is you're not wasting a buff on this, but I mean, what do you, or on this guy here, but I mean, it doesn't really matter. Damn, dude. 50-50 on this. Average 3 to 5. I took 4. That sucks, dude. Playing AFK on her power spike turn. That's tough. I took minimal, so it's good at least. This. So this roll, right? You take the pirate. I suppose you take the pirate. Sell this. Well, you always take the pirate here for sure. That's like a non-negotiable. You take the double. This is so much stronger, but no, you know what you do? You do it like this. You put all 3 on the pirate. You just keep going micro mummy crazy. I mean, the micro mummy's strong, dude. 9-9. I see go micro mummy here for the divine shield taunt later. It's fine. No, I'm not saying my final greediest level. I'm glad I didn't buff this. Oy, that's a tough one. Hopefully you go here. Good. Oy. 3 to 4, I did 3. It's okay. Dude, this thing only took 1 damage? What? What the hell? Level and selfless for sure. What a crazy hero Zyrillah is. Am I playing? No. 1 turn away from his power turn. Dude, that's crazy. Did he just get a 6-drop on this turn, or is it next turn? I guess it depends if he bought on the first turn, right? If he bought a unit, like, oh, dude. I played AFK on Power Spike. If he has a 6 on Power Spike, that's going to be really bad for me. I'm strong, but not against the 6-drop. 5 AM here. See ya, man. Oh, I beat him. Barely, but I beat him. You always take this. That's... I mean, you could swap all these blood gems, but this is really good. There's no reason to swap blood gems here. I think you go for this, right? There's nothing to sell, though. You want to keep these for the triple. Hero power this. But like, I was going to play this on those 2 units. Hero power this, but I kind of want the coin. No. Typically, that would be the right play, but because of the board texture, this is always right. %100% to win. That's good. Oh, dude, come on. What is that? Guy's pretty lucky on his hits so far. Supposed to take 5 to 8. I'm pretty sure he takes 5, yeah. Yeah, there's an MMR in here. You just level here. Level roll. And take either this or this. They're both good. It's 2 gold or taunt. You're basically banking 2 gold for next turn, or you're taking a taunt. Because I have selflesses, I'm going to go with the taunt. Otherwise, I'd always go for the 2 gold. 1 golden taunt is more valuable here. I think I can actually tie now. Do I actually win here? 16% to win and I hit it. Not bad. My rank's not that high. It's not low, but it's not high. Take this and level again. I could sell one of these and roll once, or I could sell this guy and roll. I mean, getting taunt on these is pretty decent. I could just hold too. And I could take 2 rolls. That's the thing. 2 rolls here. Okay, so I'm going to sell one of these. Nice. Take the 6 drop always here. Okay. See what you get for 6. I mean, I had one more roll because I have this in my hero power, right? Oh, that's terrible. I suppose Imp Mama for Menagerie build when you go for it. Then you just taunt these 2. I guess. This is going to get Divine Shield taunt either way. Whale Boars too. Might need to bump it. I'm not sure. It's fine. No and no. That's so garbage. That was a great hit. Terrible. This is gonna resummon all the big shit, right? Gotta go here. Damn, dude. 10 to 17, I took 12. Jesus, 50-50 again. Not bad. Not bad. Wondering if you take the pirate here if it's too late. I don't think it's too late. Yeah, it's too late. This is already decent stats. It'll take too many turns for this to scale. That's not worth it anymore. So this is pretty good. Sell the quill, right? You're definitely taking this. Okay, we'll take this. Yeah, that's good. I don't want the other cup. Now at this point, I'm looking for Barons into level. It's a good hit. A really good hit. Hopefully start running into this. I mean, I'm 80% to win or tie. And I'm gonna lose. Dude, that's incredible. 20%. That's unbelievable, man. Fucking 20%, dude. Lose a 50-50, lose a 20. That's pretty bad. So you can go triple gold grubber here. It's not bad. +8/+8 each turn. Pretty aggressive. What else am I really digging for here? Another Harbinger would be good. But I mean, you've got triple gold grubber right here. Only problem is this has taunt. I think you wait for the Harbinger, right? If Harbinger, you can triple this, you can triple this. Yeah, you wait. There's the Harbinger right there. Iron Sensei is the one you dump. 2/2 is no longer worth it. Because this is like a crazy pull. You buy that Selfless as well. Flat Tusk or Full Reaper? Flat Tusk, I believe. Fuck, I played it in the wrong order, dude. Oh, stupid, man. Again, I did that. It's the second time I'm so unused to playing this thing, dude. Oh, so stupid of me. Low brain move. And my order's terrible. It's god awful. Should still win. Like, I'm pretty strong. But I really have to, like, refine my turn next turn. Because this is, like, really bad. It's good. Is he out? He's out, right? Yeah, he's out. The Selfless can always be sold. It's a good flex minion for later in the game. Even though I have a triple, it's okay now. I think you just level here, right? Against first place Quillboars. Problem is, I don't know what you're really looking for here. More taunts? No. That you need. But what do you sell? Always this, right? So you buy those two, max out on the... Keep this, keep this. You're keeping this, yeah. Good. 57 to win, okay. 19% lethal. That's really good. Get them big juicy stats. Pretty sure you win here, right? Like, I'm pretty sure this guy's dead. Not bad. You stay alive and you win. Ah, dude, come on, man. Depends what this summons. No. 11. 12. Hey, Queen, what's going on? I've been trading all day. Well, not trading, not taking spots. This is really good. Deadly Spore here is pretty good. We can take that. This is pretty good, but it's too late in the game to take it. Really looking for taunts here. Like, you need to replace this. You need Argus. That's good. Okay, we can work on our order now. Something like this. He has Quillbores. So do you ditch one of these selflesses for a spore? Yeah, I think so, right? Yeah, you do. I mean, this is fine. You just want the trigger anyways. The taunt is less important than the trigger. You just want this to like trigger your board. Yeah, there goes Bitcoin. Yeah, but just yeah. Oh, dude, come on, man. That's such a meme, dude. Seriously. That's such a meme. I'm gonna lose on a 20% again for the third time this game. I'm gonna get lethaled on an 8% here, I think. Unless I go here. Yeah, I got lethaled on an 8%. Fucking game, dude. God, Hearthstone is such a shit game. Oh, nobody likes this game, dude. Lethaled on an 8%. Unbelievable, man. Oh, Hearthstone is so much fun. I'll play one more. Top 3, it doesn't matter, dude. 8% to get lethal is pretty bad. I should have won that game, dude. I was pretty strong. That's ridiculously miserable. That RNG on that pull, that was bad. That was real bad. It's like a really good lobby for tests. BTC broke its range a while back there. Yeah. It's a good hero from Murlocs. That's really good. I'm gonna freeze for that. Bitcoin going through a pretty nice rejection here right now. No end in sight for Bitcoin right now. I don't know, 34.4 maybe. Just gonna roll twice here. He's got beasts. Is that ever worth it to take those? No, I don't think so. Over a roll? No. That's good. Old Merc and Road Boar, that's good. Kid's birthday party, yikes. Good luck with that. What, did he go to 6? Yeah, he did. Or sorry, he went to 6 gold and leveled. Yeah, that's a good play. The quill boars this guy has. That'll be interesting. Be nice to see what he has. Maybe I can snipe some road boars. It's so crazy that New World doesn't have a fix for their GPU yet. I'm watching Bitcoin pretty religiously right now because it could be pulling back soon. Like 33,550 is not bad. So he doesn't really have anything worth freezing for. But I mean, the road boar is okay. Like, don't get me wrong, it's not bad. But I don't really think it's worth selling unit to have to level or to stay on this tier. Because like I would have to stay on this tier to use my hero power, level, get the road board. It's not worth it. Just this and this. Yeah, slight pullback on Bitcoin right now. I mean, it's possible that it pulls back right now. It has a target pretty close to it. Yeah, that's the right order. Whoa, dude, what is this board? What the? Dude, what kind of crack is this guy smoking? What is this board? Just swapping Murlocs all day, man. If I want to go Murloc build, now's the time, dude. Holy Jesus, man. I don't think I want to go Murlocs, but like, I mean, holy crap, dude. Oh, maybe I do. No, I can't. I have to buy that level. Like, oh my god, this is really... I don't think his Murloc quality is good enough to do it. You just level and hold. Well, not level and hold, but like level. Just do this. Hope for a Light Fang or something. Get 2-unit Light Fang. I mean, it's not bad. So this is really good right now, just because I do have something that's generating already. So I will take this. I mean, the rest were shitty. I don't want the poison. I don't care about the poison. Not in this lobby. And yeah, Eggum is the best here. Even just best stats, anyways. A Gamagan or whatever it's called, the boar. Oh no, dude, Bitcoin can drop all the way down to like 33.2 here. Yazzie. 100% to lose. Oh, this is good though. Oh, dude, come on, man. One, just not this. Oh, the Arm of the Empire we can kill, actually. My mistake. I thought it was 7 health. Just not that, and that's what it hit. 9 to 10. I took 10. Dude, I'm getting rolled. I mean, I can hero power for the 1 unit. So this is okay, I suppose. Hero power to take this. And that's it. Like, the rest you're just rolling through, right? Take the Falcon for the stats on board. Or do you take the Merc Eye? I guess you take the Merc Eye. Stats are better. So you get +2/+2 and a 4/4. Or you can take the coin. I kind of feel like you just take the Falcon and roll through. I don't really think the coin is worth it here. Crash. You need to buff this so it can continue to generate for you. You need to get as many blood gems as you can and try to transition into some kind of boar build or menagerie with this, but I don't know, that's going to be pretty tough at this point. Not looking good, can tell you that. %25 chance to be lethal. Jesus, dude. Jesus, dude. What are these odds that I'm getting destroyed this hard, man? This, please. So I don't get lethal, but close. Jesus, dude. I'm getting destroyed this game. So this is like all good. You take this, you take this. I guess you have to take this, right? Like you have to just go all out on this shit right here. This garbage. He didn't have anything I want either, did he? Like nobody I've played this game has any units. Like I haven't used my hero power once. I've used it once for 1 unit, 1 garbage unit. What did I just play? This one. Bran? No. Dude, what? Bran for what? What are you talking about Bran for, dude? Bran doesn't do anything here. That's really good. This is really good. That's pretty good. Pretty decent, actually. Yeah, that was a huge power spike getting this ground shaker. The nice snipe he just made. Because now I have like an infinite blood gem generator here. At least with this. Pretty good. Oh man, this guy's high rolling. Guy's like giga rolling me. Actually tied on a 10%, dude. What are like I'm getting crushed this game. I suppose you take a second poison here. That and the cup. Dude, how does this guy fucking survive? And now I play first place. Dude, this is crazy. That's pretty unfortunate, man. This is like, yeah, I'm pretty sure I'm like done with Hearthstone after this game. Getting pretty annoying. Dynamic Duel is really good here because you're gonna be blood gemming all game. Like, yes, you take this. You keep the Thorn Collar because this is whatever. Poison that. Take this. Play this. Hopefully it hits this. No, it didn't. What did it hit? Oh, hit the ground shaker. I do. I'm gonna do 1 on this because it needs the HP. It needs to be out of the 8 range. %95 chance to get lethal. Yeah, I don't know what I'm supposed to do this game. This is like beyond fucking desolate. This RNG is just beyond. Dude, even these rolls, like look at these breakpoints, 1 and 1. Dude, this is like desolate RNG that I'm getting. Playing this guy like how many times on such important turns. Okay, that's enough battlegrounds for me. On that note, I'm off. I'm hungry. I'm gonna go eat. Have a good weekend. I was gonna play Red Dead today, but I'm kind of hungry and still figuring out if the afternoon stream is here to stay or not. So sometimes figure it out. Yeah, gonna get food. Gonna do work. Expert stream tomorrow morning at 7 a.m. So expert/butterfly tier. See everybody there. Otherwise, see you guys Monday. Enjoy your weekend.